Okay, here we go in talking about classes. So we're going to access our class. As soon as you access your class, you will come to your class main page, and it's comprised of 3 sections. On the left column, you can find the main navigational menu about your class. Then the items on the left are class wall, discussion, assignments, quizzes, gradebooks, members, and class library, right? The middle column is your class wall, which is where your main communication area between you and your students is going to take place. In this section, you can post updates to your class, and just under this update field, you'll find 3 little links. And so here's your update field, and you'll have these, and you can post it as an announcement as well. Anything that you type in here, if you click post as an announcement, what will end up happening is it will change the status of your post to an announcement, giving it a different background color than all the other ordinary posts, and the students are going to be notified about these announcements on their notification drop-down menu. So you'll have that there. You can upload from your computer. You can upload from your My Files section up here, or you can add a link. And so just make sure that that's available for you there.